Hello everyone, welcome to class series, and in this video we're going to be discussing our question answers of our chapter Indian Position and Extension. So let's move on to our textbook exercise part. In that our first main is fill in the blanks. In that our first question is the total area of India is dash square kilometer. The answer of this question is 32,87,263 square kilometer. Our second question is the country to the southeast of India is Sri Lanka. Our third question is the dash latitude passes through the middle of India. The answer of this question is 23.5 degree. Our fourth question is the newly formed state of India is Telangana. Let's move on to our second main, that is answer the following questions. In that our first question is give the latitudinal and longitudinal extension of India. The answer of this question is the country is situated north of the equator between 8 degree 4 Fahrenheit to 37 degree 6 Fahrenheit north latitude and 68 degree 7 Fahrenheit to 97 degree 25 Fahrenheit east longitude. Our second question is which is the southernmost point of India? The answer of this question is the southernmost tip of India is Indira Point, located in Great Nicobar Island. Our third question is name India's neighboring countries situated in the northwest. The answer of this question is India shares land frontier with Afghanistan and Pakistan in the northwest. Our fourth question is write a short note on the frontiers of India. The answer of this question is India has both land and water frontiers. The land frontier of the country is about 15,200 km. Except in some places, India has natural frontier on almost all sides. The Himalayan range is the natural frontier in the north between India and China. The peninsular India has water frontier of about 6,100 km. It is surrounded by the Bay of Bengal in the southeast, the Arabian Sea in the southwest, and the Indian Ocean in the south.